Hello everyone. I hope you all are doing well. So let's start with the quick introduction. My name is Lakshmi from the team of JR Compliance. So today we are going to discuss about the BIS certification for automobile wheel rim component for two-wheels and three-wheel vehicles. This official gadget is issued on 21st September 2020. This is mandatory from the 22 December 2023. This official gadget is issued by the Department of Heavy Industry and Public Enterprises. In this official gadget, there are 5 different types of wheel rims are covered. The first one is IS 16192, that is automotive vehicles wheel rim for 2 and 3 wheel vehicles, which is made by the light alloy wheel rims. And second one is IS 16192 part 2, that is made by the sheet metal wheel rims. And third is one IS 16192 part 3, that is made for the 2 wheels or 3 wheel vehicles, that is spoke wheel rim. And fourth one is IS 9436, that is the performance requirement method test for the wheel for passengers car. And fifth one is IS 9438, that is the performance requirement and method of test for wheel rims for rims or truck and buses. If any person who contravenes the provision of this order shall be punishable under the provision of the Bureau of Indian Standard Act 2016. So let's start the procedure of the BIS certification. How to get the BIS certification from the BIS? Firstly, we will file the application in BIS along with some basic documents like MSME certificate, GST certificate, technical specification of the product, machinery list, list of test equipment. After that, we will file the application in BIS, and after scrutinize the application from the BIS, officer will be nominated for your factory audit. Once the officer will be visit on the manufacturing unit, they will check all the testing parameters according to the Indian standard. And after that, the officer will be sealed some sample and sent to the Indian laboratory for the final approval. After getting the test report from the lab, the officer will grant the BIS license, and the manufacturer is eligible to using the ISI mark on their product. As we all are aware that without BIS certification, no one can sell their product into the Indian market. For example, if a manufacturer manufacturing the wheel rim into the Indian market, they cannot sell their product into the Indian market without BIS certification. And the same thing shall be applicable for the importer and foreign manufacturer. If a foreign manufacturer wants to export their product into the Indian market, they cannot sell their product without BIS certification into the Indian market from the 22nd December 2023. I hope in this video you guys get all the relevant information regarding the BIS ISI mark certification. Please feel free to contact us on the below details, and also call us on the toll-free number as mentioned below. Thank you.